Hello everyone, today I thought I'd make this video on how to program the limits on a Chamberlain model C2212T. This is a DC motor, half horsepower unit. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this middle black button, or hold it actually. Then you're going to hold the up button until you get to your desired position. Then you're going to hit the middle button. Then you're going to hold the down button until you hit your desired position. Might want to tap it a little bit. I think that's good. And you're going to just hit this middle button. You're going to tap this button. It's going to flash and beep. Now it's in a cycle, and it's going to beep and flash. Then it'll go down, then your testing is complete. And that means it's complete, and your limit setting is now complete.